Ever wonder what happens to a business when its MVP, the most valuable person, suddenly can't show up anymore? What if your top salesperson, CEO, or founder becomes seriously ill or passes away? That's where key person insurance steps in. Check out the link in the description box below. So, what exactly is key person insurance? In simple terms, it's a life insurance policy a business takes out on its most critical employee or leader. Think of it like a financial safety net for your business if that key person is suddenly gone. The company pays the premiums, and if the key person dies or becomes disabled, the business gets the payout, not the employee's family. Why? Because losing that person could cost the business a lot: lost revenue, customer relationships, even the ability to stay open. This money can be used to cover lost profits, hire and train a replacement, pay off debts, reassure investors and lenders. Whether you run a tech startup, a family-owned store, or a growing construction company, if your business relies heavily on one or two people, this type of insurance can be a game changer. So, ask yourself, if my key person was suddenly out of the picture, could my business survive? If the answer makes you nervous, it might be time to explore key person insurance. One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.